Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation process for the HP LaserJet transfer belt for the M652, 653, 681, and 682, and a couple E machines, part number P1B93A or the P1B93-67901. We're going to be using the 652 as our demo machine. I will include the kit parts that are the contents of the transfer belt in the note section below, so you know how many parts, what part numbers they are that come with the maintenance kit. It is important to note that there are 9 different models in this series. Your model may need more or less rollers depending on the accessories it has in terms of feeders, but the procedure is the same across all of them. So we will start by making sure the printer is off for at least 15 minutes and unplugged. Pull the tray out. We're going to move to the separation roller assembly by pinching the blue tab, pulling straight up and reversing it. You hear a click, and then you pull back to make sure it is installed. Next, we're going to tilt the printer on its back to give us better lighting, better video. You may not need to. And this is spring loaded, so you'll just push straight up and then angle down to remove it. And reverse the procedure to reinstall. Next, we're going to move to the tray 1 assembly. Pull down the access door there. Remove the cover. Now this roller you're going to turn and orientate up and towards the printer to expose a section on it where the blue plastic of the cradle has a gap in it for you to pinch outward to release the tension on the roller. And you'll be using a flathead. Alright, reverse it to reinstall. Place the cover. Moving on to the separation roller below it. We're going to remove these guide rails so that the lower half of the tray comes off. To expose this outer door. Just pull that down, and then this is tension loaded roller. We'll just pull and release the tension on the left side. May need a flathead for this. And reverse it to install. I'm going to reassemble the tray. Now we're going to pull down the larger access door. Remove the secondary transfer roller and reverse to replace. Moving on to the belt. Now the belt slides down and toward you. And there are rails that
it follows as it goes back up.
I'd reverse it to reinstall. Puts into place. And the process is complete. A couple of repair notes are the estimated page yield on this is about 150,000 pages, more or less. And the belt, this maintenance kit comes with, it has a zero set technology built in, so there's no procedure to follow to reset the page count or anything like that. The transfer belt will do it for you. And this maintenance kit comes in a number of different options here at Metrofuser. Just give us a call and we'll get you what you need. So if you like these videos and you'd like to see more of them, please hit like and subscribe and visit us at metrofuser.com.